Welcome friends. In this video tutorial, we will learn about paddings, how to add paddings to element. First, let's see what is the padding. The CSS padding properties define the space between element border and element content. The padding clears an area around the content of an element inside the border. The padding is affected by the background color of element. The top, right, bottom and left padding can be changed independently using separate properties like we have done in margin property. A shorthand padding property can also be used to change all padding at once. That also we have seen in margin properties. So let's see how to add padding. So we have created one HTML document and in which we have write two elements. One is the H1 and second is the paragraph. And we have also create selector in style. So let's define padding for paragraph. We will not define padding for heading tag. So we can see what will be the effect of padding. We are defining padding with using shorthand property. So write padding. To give top padding, first write top padding in padding property. So I want to give top padding is equal to 15 pixel. Right padding is equal to 20 pixel. Bottom padding is equal to 5 pixel and left padding is equal to 30 pixel. So let's see what happens after giving this padding. We can see paragraph contains padding left, top, bottom and right. Now let's change the padding value. I am changing padding top value to 60 and left value to 50 and reload. We can see top padding is changed and left padding is also changed. So likewise we can change and set padding properties. If you want to set padding property of heading tag, then we can also set, and we can also use independently padding property using padding top is equal to 60 pixel. Similarly, we can use padding right, padding bottom and padding left property. So this will set padding top property of heading. So we can see padding is added at the top of heading. So this is about padding, how to add padding into our element inside the border. So we can set padding using padding property of CSS. Thank you.